Alright guys, so we're on the boat, we're on the river, we're about to catch like too many fish. It's gonna be a fun day. We got about 8 hours to fish, so we're gonna make the most out of it. You know, we had to get a rock in our crock. There we go. Ooh, it's a walleye. Gee. We'll take that. We'll take that as our first species of the day. I can't even gill grab him. He's so tiny. A little walleye. You guys see him? Look at that. That's sick. So cool. Such a pretty fish. Just throw him back. Dude, that same spot, it's like you get cranked every time you cast there with the paddle tail, and it does not hook up, but it is like a walleye. It's a I mean, I know it's a walleye because he's not. It's just like boom. It's just stupid. Like, it's insane. Look, he just hit it again. He just hit it like 3 times. I got him finally. It was a walleye. Look, folks, see? I know with these fish, how these fish act. It's a bunch of little walleyes up under there just cracking this thing. Another walleye from that same, look at his fin. That is just cool. That is just cool. I'm telling you guys, there is like 100 little walleyes under there. I cast this thing under there and I'm getting cranked. Some of them are bigger though. There's a couple of them that are like at least 14, 15 inches because the way they're hitting this thing is like, geez. Yeah, the walleyes are stacked in this shade under this bridge. Stacked. That's a good one. It might be a catfish. I think it is a catfish. No, it's a huge smallie. Whoa. Good smallmouth. Get him in the net. Yeah. Heck yeah, man. Let's go. And he just came off in the net. Thanks, bud. I thought that was like a catfish or something. That's a really broad smallmouth. Like, honestly, he's not even long, but look at his tail and look at how stocky he is. Like, he is thick. Like, dude, fall is, oh my God, look at him. Yeah, we'll take him like that all day. We'll take fish like this all day. Let's release him, catch some more, man. I'm gonna hype off that. I was not ready. He's a good fish. Oh yeah, he was ready to go. See, right up in that shade. I'm literally casting into the shade under the bridge. And it's producing. I'm really just slow rolling the swim bait, just hopping it along the bottom. That's producing. Got me a couple walleyes and a nice smallie. I know there's more walleyes under here too. We'll give one more cast. We're gonna move on. We got a lot of ground to cover. Yeah, it's not even 3 foot under this bridge and these fish are just posted. He's coming at it. I just sight fished that. He's huge. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I just watched like 4 of them come up to it and they were all big uns. Get him in the net. Look at that fish. Look at him. Grab him. There was like 6 big ones right there, but I got one of them. I sight fished them. I don't know. There was freaking... Yeah, they're on fire. You just gotta find them. Man. That's a beaut. Dude, they're beautiful right now. Brick. Look at his belly. Full of minnows and crawdads and stuff. Man. I don't know if he was the biggest of the group, but there was like 4 or 5 of them, and one of them looked about 3.5, 4 pounds. This one's not quite 3 pounds, but he's a... Look at his tail. He's just perfect. All right, guys. Another super quality smallmouth. Gave us a good fight. He's already ready to go. Look at him. Boom, he's gone. It's annoying because like, how do they get off? I mean, seriously, like you just clobbered it. So like, oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. He's so strong. This is a big one. Oh my God. The more he fights, the bigger the hole gets. Lift him up. Lift him up. Oh, he inhaled it. Get him in the net. Let's go. Let's off. Big in. Okay. Hit the water and my line literally, I felt like the littlest tap, but my line was just shooting. It was like he on the fall. On the fall. They're so bricked out today. Oh my God. Oh, he's bleeding. No. He got hooked in the tongue, man. I don't have my scale. He's freaking gushing blood because I tongue hooked him. He's good though. We're gonna release him. I'm just gonna show him to you guys real quick. Brick. I mean, brick. What a big end, dude. I mean, I don't got my scale, but I've been scaling a lot of smallies. This guy is bricked out. He is super dense. I'm gonna go with 3.5, 18 inches. He is super dense, guys. All right, let him go. Look at him, boom, gone. Huge smallie that just came out of nowhere. Just a pale one, and he inhaled the lure. I thought it was gonna be a giant walleye. Dude, he inhaled it. Oh my gosh. But okay, folks, we're gonna show this one off to you. That is one of the most beat up old river smallies I have ever seen. You could tell he is I mean, he is fat, he's healthy, he's literally full of food, got one healthy eye. I mean, you see that? So he's thick, super broad, Just got one bug eye and just beat up. Just throw him back, man. A little bug eye. That is crazy. I wonder if we could see out of it. Probably not, obviously. Just throw him back. Boom. Walleye. No, huge smallie. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh god. Man. You got stuck in the anchor line, bro. Jesus. I don't know how he stayed on, but fish gods bless me. We got a 4-pounder. We got a 4-pounder. That's a mega smallmouth, dude. That's a brick. Like, hold on. Let me set this up proper. That is a beast, okay, guys? So I was here the other week with my buddy. You'll see that video. You probably already seen it. Probably came out before this. And we caught one that was 3 pounds, 13 ounces. This is on caliber with that, if not bigger. His belly, his length, everything about this fish, I'm going to go ahead and say this is almost a 4-pounder. You know what I mean? And even if he's 2 ounces off 4, I mean, you know what I mean? That's a 4 pounds of river fucking monstrosity. Just throw him back, man. Because he deserves to keep on living. You good, bud? Ooh! I'm good, man. I could go home right now and I'd be happy. Let's keep fishing. Best believe those are seeing this. I don't think that's a fish at all. Is it? Ooh, I got a walleye on the crankbait. He's on the last treble, bro. Ah! We gotta get him in the net. Ah! Get him in the net. Okay, we got him. Came off in the net too, and he's a keeper. That's a 14-inch fish. We could keep him, but we won't. Oh, on the crankbait, man. 14. That's a keep. I know. I don't know. The camera, I feel like, makes everything look like a little smaller. That's a keeper walleye on this river. 14 inches. He could get smoked in the skillet, but we'll let him go. Walleye. As soon as I switch to the square bill, we'll take that. We'll take that. It's hard to like peep them when you're just cruising. Here's the thing. Oh, I just got absolutely hammered. Good fish, good fish, good fish. Oh, no. Came back. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. He came back. Oh my God. Oh my God. He just spit up a bunch of crawdads. Oh my goodness. Get him in the nets. Oh, that's another big one. That's another big one. I don't know if I thought he spit up a crawdad. He might have spit up blood. Because he hit it. And then after he got off the first time, I was like, dang. And then he came right back for it. And that second time he came back for it, he inhaled it. And I set the hook on him. And yeah, he's bleeding good, good, good. All right, let's get him in the water. Help his blood clot. That's how the water helps their blood clot. And it does it real fast, too. God, that's a pretty fish. That one's a little bit longer. He's a little, but, fat, too. Look at the gut. Gut on these fish is ridiculous right now. They're just feeding. They're so fat. Like, this is a 3.5. Like, he's so fat and he's just hefty. We're about to get an underwater release for this guy. All right, folks, we're gonna get an underwater release of this pig. That was absolutely sick. Let's keep heading down river back to the truck.